Iceland, a land where nature's wrath intertwines with human resolve, the realm of fire and ice. Here, amid the most challenging terrains, a journey unfolds. A journey not just across formidable landscapes, but deep into the soul. From the teeming mysteries of the Amazon rainforest to the stark wilds of Iceland and all that lies between, Graphene-X's everything-proof kit stands resilient. Built to outlast, defy the elements, and keep you poised, regardless of how grueling, frigid, or treacherous the quest becomes. Remember the limitless freedom you felt with your first car? This kit captures that feeling. It's your shield, your essential gear, your wearable Swiss Army knife, and your pass to Earth's most daunting locales. Indestructibility, adaptability, functionality, the cornerstones of this kit. We've harnessed the strength and performance of graphene, creative design and state-of-the-art technologies to ensure this kit thrives where others falter. Crafted to adapt and thrive across the diverse landscapes of our world. Features that define function, crafted for those who dare. Whether you're blazing through dry deserts, navigating dense forests, or breaking ice trails, this kit has your back. Packed with features, ready to face the elements. It's gear for the bold, the brave, the explorers. Adventure awaits. Are you ready to find yourself